All right, everybody. Good morning. I'm going to give everybody just a few seconds here to hop on the YouTube channel. We will go live on TikTok here momentarily. Need to post this. Just posting the $500 challenge here, or $500. I don't want to call it a challenge, but whatever. There we go. All right, guys. Let me grab my coffee, and we're going to go ahead and get it popping. Um, all right. Sorry about that. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get started on our news. All right. So, my guide. Yeah, I do have a Discord. The Discord, the link is in the bio. Um, I do. I do. All right. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, Wall Street futures edged higher as markets braced for a Federal Reserve policy meeting during the week. A slew of earnings reports that would likely show the impact of a strong dollar and soaring inflation on corporate America. European shares rose after earlier failing on weak German data. Japan's Nikkei snapped a 7-day winning streak to end lower. The US dollar fell, and major rivals gained. A risk appetite returned to currency markets. Gold prices inched higher. Oil climbed as the market juggled the Fed hike with supply fears. The Fed is united, apparently. Front on interest rates may be soon tested. The Federal Reserve officials are likely to hit a key milestone this week as an interest rate that effectively ends pandemic era support for the U.S. economy and begins to test whether growth can continue without central banks' active help. Intel had news that to produce the Taiwanese company's Meditech chips. By the way, Nancy Pelosi just so happened to buy a little bit of Intel calls. The manufacturing arrangement is one of the most significant deals Intel has announced since it launched its so-called foundry business early last year. China regulators deny report on data strategy to avoid USD listings. China's security regulator denied a media report that said Beijing planned to sort U.S. listed Chinese company based on the sensitivity of the data they hold in an attempt to stop the U.S. regulators from delisting hundreds of firms. In other news, Harley profit outlook at risk after production shutdown. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. And Let's see. Boeing, the union represented nearly 2,500 employees at the three of the plane makers' defense locations on St. Louis, said on Sunday that the workers rejected the company's defense contract offer and will strike at the locations starting August 1st. All right, so let's see. Okay, so today, economic events, we got the National Activity Index for June, Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index for July. And then as far as earnings are concerned, we kind of talked about this, not super exciting earnings. If you guys are tuning in here on TikTok, make sure to tap your screen. But we are live on YouTube right now. You guys can see my screen. I will move over and show the Moo brokerage here. So anyway, today, which is not that day, let's see. There we go. So we got NXPI, AGNC, Logitech, but nothing like super out there as far as major companies. But we do pick up tomorrow with Visa, BXP, Microsoft, Google, GE, General Motors, Coke, McDonald's, NFAs, UPS. There's a ton of earnings going into tomorrow, picking up into Wednesday, surging into Thursday, and then closing out on Friday at a lull. So other than that, guys, that's about it for me as far as the watch list is concerned. So just a quick repeat here. Of course, you guys know Zuckerberg is in the crosshairs. As always, this is the no trade box. Okay, it is the possible early entry box, but it is not the full-on entry exit, so on and so forth. But there is a good ad zone at 166.61. There's a gap to fill down to 164.83. I want you guys to pay attention to this zone that I have highlighted here on my screen between 165, okay, and 162.13. If you think that you can trade through that with a weekly and just unless the market just completely flushes, you're gonna get sliced up because you guys can see for the most part when this stock hits this 165 area, it tends to get really difficult to trade. So unless we have very strong volume and the sentiment is very clear today, which of course we have FOMC on Wednesday, so we could expect for investors to be a little bit more cautious. So for cautious and there's indecision, what do we usually look for, or what do we define dojis as, right? Those are candles of indecision, and those are typically on the daily or any other higher time frame, not so fun to trade. So there's a possibility, guys, that we stay in these boxes, and I'm going to show you BABA now. Because ultimately, guys, it would be just like it was before. It would be 171.80 or 172, excuse me, and 172.50 to the upside if we wanted to see Meta start inching towards this gap that actually closes up around 182.55. Now, Meta does have earnings on FOMC as well. And I will be taking, as long as the premiums are agreeable, I will be taking some sort of position on that as well. What's up, guys? If you guys don't mind tapping your screen, if you guys are hanging out with me this morning, if you guys are gonna be trading with us, I think I want to change glasses. All right, let's see. So BABA is next in the crosshairs. So this one had we had a great day. This was a beautiful break of a dynamic trend line that we've been tracking here for a minute. We broke down from there. We have a very clear level right here that we are watching, and that is going to be $98 for BABA. Biden is supposed to meet with Xi. I'm not going to try it. Chinese president, and that's obviously a variable, and including the news that I talked about this morning, which I don't really see that as like a positive thing, I guess in a way. But there is a gap to fill below that $98 mark, closing all the way at $93.37. So I think S1, which is $95, y'all, and $95 is a serious level across the board. We've talked about this on the daily. So let's let's go to the 4 hour. So right here, right? So this is kind of the area that we're looking to break. So we want to fall through here. That's 95.25. You could wick down and then close the candle there. But ultimately, I am looking for BABA to move to around $88 to the downside. So there is a possibility to take next week's contracts. This is more than likely going to be a small account play. If I see a rejection this morning and a definitive candle close to indicate further downside. So we are in a small downtrend here, broken our uptrend. So I'm going to stick with the trend and continue to take this to the downside. There is no comments. Remove the white comment, white screen. All I have to do is that. Yeah, there is no comments. Uh, just 48 people staring. We're just staring at each other. It's romantic. All right. Anyway, so Baba, Meta. I do have a little big account play that I'm going to be watching. Tesla is setting up. It could give us one day of indecision, but it's got a nice floor at 811, 75. From there, there's obviously the R2 here, but ultimately, I would suspect that we could pull back to around 790. So 790, which is the support top, or excuse me, demand top. So across the board here. So I'd be looking for Tesla to retest that area. I have a trend line that has been broken. So this thing has established a new uptrend, and I'm just waiting to see where it finds support, which could be around that 790. So it's hard to ask when just hear you talking. If we could view your monitor, I'm sure there'd be more comments. Well, that's the thing is, I broke my stand, so it's kind of hard to flip the screen with the desk that I have. So it's just easier if you guys go to YouTube, because then that way you can see my screen, you can see my brokerage. But if I just flip the screen around, then you're just gonna be looking at one very small section of my desk because my monitors are pretty wide. All right, so that is about it. Snap got a downgrade, I think. Okay. Bearish engulfing candle, 389.21. Yeah, so let me take a look at the cues really quickly. So we want to kind of take a step back here, look at the daily. So this one did break out and retested this supply. It fell back out of it, so there's a possibility to retest today. Right about here, it's pretty clear. Again, it would have to be below the $300 mark, so Qs have to lose 300, and then at that point, I would suspect 289.44, and then the top right here is 296.50 to the downside. So, and that's also if you see the daily 9-day moving average that is creeping up around there. But again, FOMC is coming up soon, so there is the possibility of again indecision. So. I think that the first 30 minutes, if we see some substantial volume and movement, there's obviously the possibility to take some trades if momentum picks up today and then closes tomorrow, and then we see chop. But if we do not see the movement and the high probability volume that we need, I'm telling you guys right now that if you haven't learned from the FOMCs in the past, especially with what we've been dealing with recently, a lot of the times it's either A, you get the moves before, B, you don't get the moves the day of, or you get the moves after. So as the market kind of digests. So it's one of those things where we kind of got to read and react, and then make appropriate decisions. If you guys have daily goals, it's also a daily goal of mine to make sure that I don't lose, money outside of my risk management, or really, obviously we don't want to lose money at all. We know it's going to happen, but the goal is to obviously know when to trade, but not to trade. So, let's see. All right, that's that. Gar on the meta chart, you see posted what time frame are on. You see the gap. I don't know why this has trouble with that. You might have extended hours on. I know you're only doing the small account, but could you still chart Tesla? I actually am going to be. I got both of my accounts, so it's not. It's I don't like switching. I have to use a browser, but for the Moomoo and my phone at the same time, but with the combo there, it's not the hardest thing I've ever had to do. So, all right. Speaking of, let me pull that up. Background on this is wide as you. I know. I was trying to hit the skin color this morning. There. There's a little bit more. Not that it help. um, Rolly, you still thinking? Let's see. You see Spy at 389. Hold on one second, guys. All right, one second, guys. I have not picked up any more puts. Give me one second. Sorry, guys. Um, my children just had my daughter just had a meltdown. So, yeah, shit. And I missed fucking. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take Baba. Um, pull up Moo if you can. $95 strikes for next week. That's a good enough rejection for me. Give me 1 second. I'm logging in. Fuck, man. Come on. Go ahead. You guys take it. I would already have taken it. If you guys gonna take it, you don't have to. I'm not forcing you. You can take this week's, whatever. All right. I don't know if I just got filled or not, but uh come on. Sorry guys. Life is happening right now. I'm trying to fuck, come on. That's whack. All right, I'm taking this week's 95. I hate to take it now. I don't want to take it now. We're too close. Fuck. That's whack, man. Fuck. I haven't taken it, guys. No. Moo. It's the brokerage, not a stock. I was looking to try and get into Baba, so I'm looking to see if I can get an entry here. This is really close. I kind of wanted to take the rejection here. It almost hit that 101 rejection, but I would have grabbed it as it moved here, but below the 9. Watching for Meta to reject. It'd be nice if I could get price marks on here, but I can't. 170.27. I'm not liking Baba now. I mean, not yet. Just for a late entry. It needs to stay below $100.15. All right, I'm gonna take it now. What is the 90? Dude, come on. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to keep the. Okay, so it's 132. Why doesn't it automatically adjust? Just tried to get filled on a $95 put for this week. Nothing. Okay. Did I get one? Yeah, I got one right now. I got one for this week. Stop's going to be $100.15. I think Meta short below 168 30 down $1. Not even looking at the contract, so not anymore. Okay, choppy it is then. I mean, I get that we bounced off 95 or 98, but 9-day moving average is at 101. We need to lose that low. Go ahead, 99.25. Might be one of those Mondays, y'all. Might be one of those Mondays. I think Meta probably is going to lay down to 166.90 or 166.75. So Tesla's dying. Holy shit, sticks. What about Netflix? Tesla below this 805 mark. I've got an 7 798 95 and then that retest we talked about this morning. Damn, that shit's going damn. So you're right there. That's exactly the level that I just talked about this morning. That's at 805. Right. Pivot point is 790 on the hourly. Is anybody else's trading view lagging? Like just flickering and shit?
You're down my trading days.
Okay, cool. Yeah, my shit's kind of losing its mind right now. All right. I think we're gonna have a choppy day, my friends. At least maybe on Baba here. Baba's going up to the 9-day moving average. There's that 102. That looks pretty bouncy to me. Yep, that's a reversal candle. So let's see if we get a rejection off the 9. If we cross over the 9, then this is liable to flip it and reverse it. Down $23 right now on this contract. So let's see. Shit, that's what I didn't see. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to go ahead. I think on this 9-day. Well, I'm waiting for this candle to close, but if it crosses over this 9-day moving average, you're liable to possibly see it hit a downtrend at 102.35. But I'll go ahead and take that L if it ends up being that way. So what is Tesla doing? My charts are literally flickering right now on the top. It's kind of wild. Tesla's got a flag. 5-minute candle closed for me, but if you guys need to get out, do what you got to do. Looks like we're climbing on top of that 90 moving average here, so. Microsoft. Yeah, we're out. I'm out. Hold on. Got to pull up. All right. I'm selling right here. In just a second. I had to just pull up my it's kind of hard to sell on the actual brokerage. Like it doesn't give you like the you can batch close, but it doesn't. I don't see how to actually close it. I haven't figured out how to do that. Yeah. Well, watch it. I just hit that pre-market bottom right there, which is $180. So I'm not yeah, straight up. Um let's see, what is Meta doing now? Look at Meta curling up. Microsoft is moving down. Yeah, I'm gonna probably, and then we just rejected that $100.90 on Baba here. Let's see, 16 seconds left in this candle. All right, we got to come back from that. That's a fucking crazy reversal candle, and I think I missed this like median right here, but absolutely bonkers. that bounce was pretty intense. And now we're getting that rejection. So this is liable to stay in range if it's going to continue to do this. So I'm going to sit and wait. Look at this 15-minute candle. If this thing wick fills down to the bottom, yo, that's just, it is what it is. But this is now the range set for today between $100.78 and $98.80. So yeah, I'll take a look at AMD, but Baba's trash right now. Same thing for AMD. 85.65 if you want to take it to the downside, with the next step down probably being the 80, I don't know, 84.40, somewhere in there. So I see Microsoft, guys, but if I didn't have a plan, you know what I'm saying? Like if I see it's dumping, like it's all good and well, but I don't have a plan, so I can't take it. It's got a little gap here and it's yet to be closed. So again, if you look at the hourly, guys, so far just doji type energy on that one. So Airbnb, yeah, I got it reversed on me. So Airbnb is now retesting this top right here. So if Airbnb is going to recover, it needs to close a candle above 105.50, period. Yeah, Meta is, if it closes below 169, I would say that's probably it. You got Microsoft moving down. But you did bounce off of 101.50. And so there's a chance for that recovery to occur. Let me go take a look at the 15 fake outs to the downside today, which just set a wide range. Let's see. It's a possibility. You could do that. So if you do end up moving to the pivot point and above, you've got this 109.16. It may be that you just haven't found your downtrend from the high yet, but it does appear that below S1 or 101.16, that's where you probably would see some continuation to the downside. What is Baba doing now? Oh, no way, Baba. No way. Yeah, yes way is what is happening. That is on the point of control right now. Faked out. Do we go at it again? That sure looks pretty bearish. But it also opens up for a wedge. You're still in Baba? Oh no. Or how about faking out to the fake out downside reversal? Yep, I'm out of everything right now too. I'm watching I still have my swings, but which Baba I'm still up from our original entry, but that's not on the small account. All right, let's regroup here. So that is pushing you on that day. Guys, I don't see a trade on Baba yet until it closes below. I don't like this. I don't like Meta. I don't like Baba. What is Tesla doing? Tesla's got a 5-minute like flag built right now. If you guys look at it from the highs, pull it down from the lows or the Friday's lows. Or not lows, excuse me. I'm sorry. This is what I see on Tesla here. So you might see Tesla move here to the downside and tap off of $800. So Parallax. If I mean, I'm not super salty about it. I'm a little bit. I'm not frustrated because I mean it's only $30, right? Hold on one second. I did close that, right? Okay, we didn't close that. Okay. Okay, so I should probably wait for a button here because I did not close out my shit. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, I am filled. Never mind. I did get filled. Okay, never mind. That was wrong. Okay, Meta is you got a rounded bottom now on the 5. Watch it to go to the pivot point 171. Yeah, there goes Meta. That was a nice build. I think Microsoft probably just ran down to its support and then just bounced. Am I right? Oh, it's not there. It's not quite there yet. All right, guys, let's we're not done yet, but let's just sit here and gather more intel. I don't I know that I'm looking at the I know the 5 might look tempting, but look at this 15, guys. That is not healthy. So remember we're looking for a range break. That was an early entry inside of this range. So we need to move down to $98.20. So well, if you guys, I mean, I'm sure there's other areas in the market moving. What's Cat doing? Cat's got a 4-hour bull line. Watch Cat squeeze these shorts out above 182.50. Got a gap to fill at 183.44. Retest level 187.25. Just looking at sectors. Genius. Microsoft is actually fucking going ham. That daily or hourly looks rough. Setting alert on Baba right now. No, not fucking copy price. Damn, Microsoft is to dumping. Just goes to show, guys, that one thing can move one way and the other one can. I mean, stupid. And it's crazy how many divergences there are. So on the Moomoo account, guys, I think so. We have one day trade left today, so I may end up taking a swing trade. Oh my God, Meta is at, or excuse me, Microsoft is dumping. Kind of makes me want to take Meta to the downside as well. Let me go look at Meta. Still a bear flag, guys. Take a look at that hourly. You might be right. Hughes, dude, what's going on with my chart? Why is there such a huge divergence? The QQQ has like a weird head and shoulders. It's got to break below 300, guys. Period. End of story. I think that's one of the things you're seeing on Facebook right now. I'm a little salty. I would have probably gotten to shaken out of Baba regardless, but I would have been able to get a better entry. So life happens. I'm not going to be mad at it. I probably would have taken that rejection at the bell, but yeah, we'll go ahead and just. It is what it is. That's right. For Neo, right? It is what it is. For Neo right here, S1 seems to be in line with this projected support. Looks like you got resistance there, there. So yeah, I would suspect, and it looks like you're hovering around. Let's go to the 4 hour really quick. Oh my God. Is that a massive inverse head and no, that's too ugly. The head and the shoulder is pretty much around the same place.
Wait, I just swear.
I was waiting for it. No, I think Neo. I thought Neo had one, but I'm starting to think uh, otherwise. Just because I'd like the shoulder to be up around the head, like demand. So like about you don't want to like move to the same exact because that just sets up for it could, but I mean Neo would still have to dump like way down to 1623. So
Yeah, okay.
in an AMD sort. But today I'd say S1, which is 1825. ATVI. Nice rejection. Yeah. Uh, that one is a huge gap. I'd love to see that one fall, but that one's got a lot underneath it. All right. Well, we are completely range bound at the moment, which is yeah, which is kind of like, you know what? I'm glad I cut, and it's a better decision than holding on. AMD's going for its gap fill here, probably 87.91. Have patience. I did cut Baba. I am out. Uh, I bought. I'll tell you guys what happened. So I bought it at 130 and I sold it at 81. So I lost $40, 30% on that. But it is what it is. Have I seen RDBX? Not that one again. That was re-squeezing. Um, kind of. Yeah, watch it to push above 5. Might see it squeeze a little higher. Apple. Damn. Apple looks pretty dumpy. 15-minute engulfment of that entire range, 153.41. S1 is 152.96. That is also part of this. So watch it drop down to there and then potentially the full range. So watch your ceiling. Apple actually looks pretty good. Oh, nice. Good job. Philip Bear. Great job, man. Yep. Yep, just waiting, guys. Just waiting. I'd love to take Meta, honestly. I mean, yeah, on my regular account, I'd like to take it for the gap fill here. Let's get this 9-day moving out. Let's pull up my EMAs here. So let's get this crossover here. Yeah, 10 a.m. coming up. Hold on 1 second. Let me go run and grab something. Hopefully the market doesn't move. Scan that rejection. Nope, not yet. So that yellow line, guys, it's meaningful. Wait, what happened? Why am I getting 100? Yeah, everybody tag me. I want to see what that feels like. Just tag me. You know what? It'll cause the other admins to panic. Just play a game while we're bored. Just tag me. Most tags in Discord history. I can't wait to see Manny. Watch. I give it 2 minutes and he comments, "What's wrong?" Primal. You know what? A therapist would probably look at this moment right now and be like, "You're a narcissist." Gee, that's right. Even got a Potter stocks from the dog. It was sincere. I feel like I would be the person to tag Manny. Ah, that's not my dog, no. Um, I do not have a dog. I've been heavily considering it since life is really chaotic, you know? I was like, let me bring in a whole other member of the family. Why do people's brains think of things like that? I want to, guys. I want to take meta right now. It looks good. Like it's building down. Lots of shorts right here. Um, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull up these contracts. I don't mind taking today's contracts. Jesus Christ. Oh shit, what is Baba just doing? Okay, there it is. For meta guys, I'm taking this regular account. I'm gonna go with a kind of like 165s, but obviously 160s are okay. Wait, what? What the fuck? Oh, how weird. Dude, my entire is this my graphics card? I'm trying to take it right now, the 165 put for this week. Are you serious? No, come on. Okay. Yeah, if you're short meta, you guys see it. We already bounced it. I haven't gotten in yet. I wasn't able to get in just now, but I just have to cancel my order. All right, I got it up now. I might need to get a new graphics card. I don't know. Shit's getting kind of weird on my computer. All right, I just got it. I got the meta put. Meta put right now. Target is gap fill. This is gonna be more of a scalp here, so you can maybe let some runners run down to S1. All right, we need to close this 168.41. Why is market making me scalp right now? I do want to do this, but I don't want to do it. Nope. Get down there. You dingus. You're bored? No, I'm not bored trading. It's a good setup. Nice build up here. Broke up. Sellers are too weak. Buyers are too weak. Sellers are pushing it down now. I like it. I am going. Yeah, look at Top Shelf. He likes short stuff. I'm the short king right now. No, I'm not short king. That was a My voice kind of went up at the end. There it is. Potter is literally 3 foot. I'm 6'2". Speaking of, ooh, that's what I like right there. Can I get some? Can I get some moolah, please? If it's nothing else, man, it's meta. You know. Wee. Yeah, I don't know if you guys see these contracts are inflated. Dude, I've got to go to the bathroom right now. Yeah, you know what? Baba does look like it's going down now, but I'm hot. You guys want to try it again on the old moo? All right, let's take another crack at it. 96 bucks. 97 bucks. Oh shit, I almost bought it at 120. Talk about a terrible food. 97. Are we filled? Today's order. Edit. What is that at right now? Bob's still falling. It's a little bit weak. Oh shit. I got filled. Did I get filled? Wait. Okay. What are you talking about? Are you talking about Meta? 165 puts? The 95 weekly on Baba has terrible price action. Why do you say that? Oh, are you looking at the? Oh, let me go see the. Look at the. It does have pretty rough price action, but it's picking up. All right, Meta's just kind of floating, free floating out here. Please don't tell me that's some dumbass little trend line. Lord have mercy, I swear. I swear, Meta. Don't do it. What was it? July 29th. Yeah, I got it July 29th. I see a megaphone on Meta right now, and I'm kind of like basically a back above 169.23. This thing they would probably squeeze, and then I'm done for the day. Not for the day, but I'm done for the majority of the day here. So Baba's moving back down here. So if you guys got that entry with me, that was nice. We got that on the tip. Oh, this week, guys, Baba, this week. Ow! I go to the bathroom so bad right now. I don't know why. All right, I'm taking my phone with me, guys. 160, basically this yellow line here on Meta. For Baba, if you're in Baba, entry is exit for me. So basically 99.76. The point of control, 99.30. If it bounce, because right now it's bouncing and looks like it could consolidate here. It's on the 3 minute. I'm not like super concerned with that, but the price action, just period, is not great. Oh, fuck, man, that is gonna bounce in this megaphone, dude. Stick to the stop loss. Yeah, so this the target right now for Meta is 167.22. Ultimately, yes, I have it, I have it down lower, but we need to make it down to about 166.63, 166.64. But we got a 5 minute megaphone that's forming right now. It's bouncing, which is kind of shitty. Um, and megaphones do this shit. They can fail. We've got three off the top. We've got three at the bottom. But if it goes for a fourth wave here, then it's probably going to squeeze everybody that you see right here right out, and this thing is probably going to V shape right back up to this pivot point and stay and establish this range. So I feel like if I go to the bathroom, maybe things don't. But all right, I'm running. Hold on. All right, I'm back. We're going sit mode. Oh boy. If you guys need to risk down on meta, you guys should still be up enough to take a little bit of risk off the table before it reverses. But we're probably range bound for the day, my friends. If this is the case, if we recover this level here. I did. I did. I'm just watching. Just watching. There's nothing else to do but just watch. Baba's doing okay. Baba's okay. Baba's building down, but it's just not going very quickly. I don't really like the P&L because it shows me now I have gotten down in P&L, so I'm only down $11 for the day. So Uncle Rolly's telling us that we're dude, I feel like there's a lot of people short on meta, and it wouldn't be surprising to see some type of because I'm probably gonna swing something if it's not crazy. I might grab something, but right now we got some tricky price action. We got meta moving to 300 right now. Let's see if we get a bounce. This is big. $99 for Baba. Meta. It's at support. We need to break. Let's get a break. Let's get a break of 168.85. Let's go. Come on, get your ass down there. That's the quarter mark. Come on, right here. Give me the flush. There we go. 99 break for Baba. We're down $5 for the day. Let's go, Meta. 5% on Meta if you're in with me. Good trades. Let's go. Keep it moving. All right, we're up on the day a little bit for Baba. Meta's given that flush that we wanted. There we go. Stay down, stay down. We need to stay below this 167.90 and close there. That would let me know that we still have the price action that we need. 5-minute candle looks good. Target seems valid right now. 167.20 is a good trim area if you're looking to trim and secure some profits. Runners can go to S1. That's 166.60 here. 166.63. Be safe. 163. 166.80. You should trim it to strength. So that's all right, guys. That's why we keep our chin up. Baba's moving slow as pond water. But we're making our way downtown, walking slow. Come on, Meta. Don't wick down there. Don't you do it. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Damn it. 167.50 bounce. Still green. Come on, Baba. What did your 5? 15. 15 looks good. We need to clear this wick. 98.85. But our QQQ just lost 300. Seems like the nearest target underneath us is 298.50. Come on, man. Don't do this bullshit. I see what it's doing. Watch for the squeeze. We need to be careful here. No. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. Above the 9-day moving average. Come on, Meta. Build down. Qs are moving down. Bottles back up above. Yeah, Q puts are probably printing right now. Let's go, Meta. Build down. All right, I see sellers sitting 162.70. Okay, so we're pushing. Yes. Yeah, the meta contracts IV is bussing right now. So could be good. I don't like this right here. I'm gonna just be honest with you right now. I don't like this. I need this breakdown. I don't need a move above that 9. If we move above the 9, I'm gonna consider taking my position off the table, or at least getting out of the majority of this. So let's get a push down. New 5-minute candle here. Baba. This is bad price action on Baba. and Meta. Yeah, it's above. It's trying to open up above. Go ahead and pull up your contracts, guys. Price action's weak. We need to just have our finger on the trigger. Come on, shorts, push that down. There you go. Nice job. Keep pushing. There you go. Come on, Baba. 98. Let's see. The key is trying to lose 300 here. Nope. There you go. Lose your low. 167.50. There we go. There we go. There you go. There you go. Push it down. There you go, Meta. Come on. No, no, no. There you go. Keep close below that level. Close right below 167.50, and we got this. Ash V, also remember today's price action has been pretty difficult to interpret, so don't be too hard on yourself. Dude, God, dog, come on. Get down there. I know I'm being impatient, but damn. All right. Now, last concern. 167.12. That's my only concern right now, guys. It's like a 1 minute wedge that's going to give you a retest. I'd love to just, yeah, fuck, there it is. Look at that. Right on the money. I'm going to go ahead and trim some here. I'm going to trim some here if you're in multiple contracts. I'm not going to ignore what I see. All right, I just trimmed out a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm not totally out, but just enough because I see what I see above that trend right here, 167.88. I'll go ahead and probably just take what I got. I'm scalping here, so. Everything is moving terribly except Meta. Well, that's good. Look at shorts. They're like, no. That means Bavos probably might bounce here. Qs are underneath $300, so leave those runners. I'm still in. Remember, wedges can turn into channels. Come on, Baba. How annoying is this? You're out of all of your meta puts? Okay. These 150s are 320 on meta. All right, here we go, Baba. Come on, Wickville. All right. Fuck, man. Come on. All right, if you're in meta, there it is. Sorry. There it is. Go ahead. If you want to leave runners, you can. But that's it right there. That's what we were looking for. So that's 166.80. That was slow as dirt. I think I'll leave one. But yeah, I think I'm out here. So maybe. All right, so I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do right now for earnings for Meta. If you're in a big account, you can follow me here. If you're in a small account, I'd advise you to maybe not. It's probably not a great idea. But I'm looking at the $200 call for Meta. Listen, there's a high probability that I lose money on this. Okay. So just remember, I'm taking the call now because I think we're gonna bounce. And then if I see another rejection, I'll go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and take a one. I like the 140 put. There's a lot of volume up around like 150. But I'm gonna take the 140. If we bounce high enough. And we may not. We may end up continuing to flush. I still have a put. So whatever money I'm using right now is just profits. But I still have today's put. But I'm likely to add the 145 if we bounce up high enough. By the way, the put, if you guys want to cut that one, it's going to be above either a 167.67. So. How many? Oh, nah. Why do you want to know how many I'm gonna get? Huh? Why are you interrogating me like that? you know, you don't get to know the full extent of my degeneracy. No, I'm just kidding. Right now I'm just starting to like maybe two. So for market research, huh? All right. Anybody still in meta? Any laundry? Damn it, I read that. Anybody still in meta right now? Has everybody exited? Yeah, Boxer, it's going to be 1-to-1 on this straddle, man, because I either expect I expect for them to either we lead like Snap, or I expect for them to try and fudge some numbers, So we can go take a look at expectations, but yeah, I see. So this is here. Let me explain my logic behind my strikes. Okay, I've got a 205. There's a gap right up here around 180. If we even gapped up there, we'd be good to go. Mostly supply in both top and the bottom. I'm thinking because the majority. Okay, the majority of I guess you want to call research firms or think of the short report people. God dang it. Like Hindenburg and stuff like that. Those type of people. There's a lot of people who are fundamentally short on Meta for the same reasons that I am. So that being said, if it squeezes, right? No, I'm taking this week's because it's tomorrow. So the reason that I'm taking it today is we'll likely see an IV increase on these contracts. And so if I go 2 to 2, I'll be able to sell one of each, right? And then possibly just swing with the runners because again, I just it's not something that I ever put serious money into unless I have the strongest conviction. What website do I use to track earning dates? You can use StockTwits. They're pretty good. Nice presentation there. Earnings Whisper, stuff like that. So in a minute. Baba, come on, man. Stay down. Yo, if Meta loses its floor, you still have a gap to 165. You still have a gap on 165. So remember, S1 isn't just a target, but possibly a re-entry for 165 to the downside. So, but that may be after a build here. We just took this megaphone down, so we'll see what happens. For Baba guys, I'm trying to be patient with this one. It's still like on the 5, we still look okay. Hourly time frame. Let's see here. We've got a doji right now, and unfortunately, what happens a lot of the times when you go back and you see this type of price action is we do end up bouncing. So I think I talked about this yesterday. Okay. And because we're seeing such slow price action, we could get a move down to 97.88. But there is a strong chance that if we do, that we bounce right back up and hit 102. So that's what I'm watching for right now. 205. Or excuse me, 200. 200. 200. 200. Sorry. Both are good, but I got a 200. I'm sorry. And I think so right here on this retest, 167.78. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab the 104 is still out of range. Or 145, excuse me, is still out of range. But I'm going to go ahead and grab the. Let's see something. Gotcha. Okay, so maybe one more leg down, 166.04, and then I crawl back up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the 140 now. You can wait until the end of the day, wait until you see a better entry. I'm gonna go ahead and take it now. So we don't really have to worry about theta with IV pumping. So come on, Baba, jackass. Keys are holding underneath 300. Meta bounced right on the money though. Um, for Meta, I took the 140 put and the $200 call. So let me reiterate, okay? Yes, for this week, I want you guys to know that we could wake up and Meta could be at 160 and we get slapped both ways. I am fully prepared for a slap. All right. Um, so if you are not, I know that it's risky, and yes, it could pay off. But any earnings trade is always a gamble. So you have to be in it to win it. Yep. I just keep adding equity on Meta. I hope you don't have a fundamental bias on that. Zevo. Don't even have an Oculus. Shame. Shit, man. Baba. Baba, Baba, Baba. Trying to have patience, dude, but that thing is kicking out. It looks like it wants to bounce, guys. But we'll be patient. PET. All right. Well, I'm gonna tell you guys this that we may end up going because of PDT. We may end up taking an L on this one. I kind of like it's been a minute, so kind of forgot about that. But right now, I've got a level here on Baba, which is 99.67. That's where I need Baba to stay right now. It is above its 9-day moving average and looks very weak, but may just want to consolidate before taking another leg down. So I'm gonna go over to Benzinga and see if I can find anything on Baba. Oh shit. Alibaba to shut down its online retail platform in Hong Kong. So maybe I'll let you know. It'll be in just a minute, buddy. Pay me your contracts and I'll slap you. What is that? You weirdo. Am I sports betting? John. I don't like the way you whisper to stocks to push down. Sorry about that. Sometimes you gotta whisper. Um, where, where are they at? Go find them. Bob, what? Hi, guys. What? Who is that? Plunger? Good execution today on meta though, guys. Wasn't the greatest gains in the world, but if you guys look at I'm gonna show you really quickly by a screenshot if you're in Discord. So remember this morning that box that we talked about? Look where we bounced. All right. It's a method to the madness. So now, right, as long as candles close below that, we stay bearish. We just need to track where is our downtrend. If you guys go up to that July 22nd high, you can pull it down. You'll see that resistance right there. Right now, my downtrend could allow for a retest of 168.75. Where is that? That is the median of that box. So Bob, on the other hand, I just die. You know what I mean? Like just do that thing where you just don't. Nobody wants to buy your shares anymore. Hey, Bear, what website is that? All right, we're gonna turn our attention to Baba since that's what we're in right now. You guys can see right now it's starting to build up to the upside. I need this to stay intact. I do have a downtrend, and yes, I'm probably gonna have to hold through it. So we may end up having to maybe hedge ourselves on even the small account. So let's move over to Baba really quick. We got to go with something. Yeah, 99.75 right here. There's Baba moving up at the moment. So let's just get a rejection here. We have two taps to support. I'm not watching the P&L. I'm not going to hedge. It'll be another basically the same loss that we took this morning. So whatever. We'll we're moving up on lower volume, so let's see if we get this short. Meta still holding down. Come on, William. Let's get this rejection here. Pablo, let's sweep 7 6. Meta $200 strike 119 2024 came in. Baba 110 strike came in at 320 on Friday. Microsoft got put strikes this one. NVIDIA, QBQ, SPY, Google, Amazon, NVIDIA. Ellie. I think it's FXI. Yeah, it trades with FXI, which has a dumbass fucking 3-minute wedge here, which is why we're seeing the price action that we're seeing. Yeah, man. All right. Well, we're probably gonna if we get a leg down on Baba. I mean, it still looks good. It's got the rejection off the pivot point. It's at the 50% mark. We could just see a rejection here. Obviously, this pattern is on the 3-minute, so I'm just being patient right now, trying to. As long as the account stays above 500, I'm good to go. I mean, we've done worse. I've dropped accounts halfway, and not that we're gonna do that, but um, we're good to go. I'm not again looking at the P&L. We're trying to execute the charts. Right now, we got what looks to be the rejection off the pivot again on the 3. Baba is rejecting that box right there. So let's go ahead and get another leg down, maybe a new low right here. But unfortunately, I think if that occurs right there and then right there, so hopefully we see an opportunity to get out if we get a rejection here. Meta was a good trade. I'm green for the day, but of course, I'm more concerned with this Baba. One-minute flag. That's pretty bullish right there. A little bottom like that. I see a pushback down 99.17. Different side. There it is. Okay. FXI needs to get back down below 31.36. We need to see BABA below 99.17. Snow just came in with some golden sweeps. Very good. Let's take a look at it in a second. See if it retests that zone 99.17 or even just right here. It may end up giving us no exit. So Meta is starting to push down. Watch Meta to go to 165 or 165.93 or 166 even here. Does anybody have any Meta runners? All right, come on, stay under that 9, reject it. It's got like a 1 minute cup and handle though. Damn, dude, this pond water. Everybody having fun? Baba is bouncing off of its 3-minute 9-day moving average. Curling right back up, so it may be time. Damn, man. That's a full engulfment right there. Let's see what we get. I'm waiting and watching. Yeah, chop is for real. FXI looks like it's gonna fall, so I'm thinking Bob is gonna reject here, and at least give us an opportunity to get out with maybe just a little $10 gain, whatever the case may be. All right. Guys, we're gonna have to. I think we're gonna have to get out of Bava here. Um, we're 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 curling. I got my finger on the trigger. Man, Bava, let me down. Hold on, I'm not out yet. I'm just watching, but we're curling. Sorry, Max out. Pivot point basically, and 95.30 would mark a rejection. There. I'm still in Bava, guys. I'm just watching, staring at it. Um, but that would likely that's the demand underneath you. So you're bouncing off demand. So this is a spot to consolidate, and then above that 104, you've got a gap to go fill at 107. So come on, damn it, do something, Baba, you asshole. I just had to get that out. I'm sorry, cheeky little shit. Stupid kickflip. I love how it always bounces. Like, I mean, that's how I know I have good levels, but it's like, it's literally sitting right up against my stop. Like, it's just right here. So, I mean, this would be a great time to see that next leg down. And I see really weak candles on the FCX. So, if you're in me, we are. Oh my God, why that? If you're in with me, oh my God, I'm gonna jump out my window right now. No, dude, I gotta shut it down. I gotta shut it down for the day. That's it. All streams down. Y'all, I'll see you fucking later. Oh no. It's no, no. I'm deleting this YouTube. Shut it down. If you're in Bible with me, will you please let me know? Oh my God, what's wrong? What's wrong? No, you don't have to quote me. Stop. Ah, no. Why? I don't want to do this anymore. I want to quit. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. That's not cool to bounce. Yes, AO, that's fine. Oh my god. Mr. Anonymous. Dude, I'm about to give you so much homework. I'm just kidding. You're about to chart the entire S&P, my boy. All right, this might be the time. Come on, don't do it. I don't see it falling. Come on, short it down. There you go. Close it down below that 99. Hey, Ellie. Hey, Ellie. What you doing? Hey, Ellie. I can open it for you. Or Miss Alex can open it for you. No need to be fussy. Feeling fussy, mobility, or something like that. Baba needs to follow you. Get your ass down. Get down. Terrible. Ah, you motherfucker. I gotta squeeze these little shits out. Ellie, poopy Baba. Yeah, no, we need some Ellie bearishness right now. It's not looking great. Not gonna lie. FCX is now bouncing right now, breaking that little trend. Um, Not bueno. So if FCX climbs above 3140, we're gonna have to cut Baba probably. Yeah, that's a bounce there. It's all right. We're not deterred. Are you guys having so much fun? Is everybody just having the most fun ever? I just wanted to comment on how fun today is. Yeah, I didn't drink enough coffee for this shit either. I need to might need to hit the smelling salts. We get a break here or we don't. That's it, period, end of story. We got a break. I'm not gonna lie. Um, I definitely use those smelling salts more often than I thought I would. Not like all the time, but like sometimes when I'm feeling like delusionally tired, which happens because I wake up at 5:30. All right, that's it. Bobby, you're a total dick. We'll let the candle. It's 30 seconds, but I'm. Yeah, it looks like we're about to go squeeze up. Yep, we are. We just got chopped up too, chopped to bits. Yep, flagged up, curled up right there. So, um, I mean, ultimately, we've already hit this high, but our contracts, if you guys have noticed, have just gotten destroyed. So of course, there's a possibility to still reject that ceiling above us, but now we've got the bull power and the build to potentially do it. The only uh, ob obstacle for bulls is there's no volume here. I'm going ahead and I'm pulling this contract up right now to go ahead and sell. So probably going to violate PDT, but we'll be okay. $3 minutes and 20 seconds for that 5-minute candle here. So it's ultimately rejecting already. How? Oh no, look at that. It channeled. If it rejects here, like I just, because that's crazy, because if it channels right there, that's what you just saw as an extension. So right there, look. So let me explain what just happened. So what, and you have to remember this if you trade wedges. I just need to stop talking. 1, 2, 3, and that doesn't mean it's over yet. Um, yeah, so what happens with wedges is a lot of the times you'll extend into a channel, and that's exactly what I think we just saw there. So let's see if we ultimately engulf this candle and reject, then we will fall down to 98.15 and be able to get out of this trade. So, oh my God, come on. We'll see right here. I think in the next 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, we'll find out what's going to happen. God, this chop sucks. Right now, we're sitting on the 9-day moving average, the 20 here, so bouncing still in our favor, but closing below or engulfing that would be definitely bearish. So let's see what happens. 99.71. Damn it! It fucking rejected. Perfect. Ugh. Excuse me. That's look at the 5, guys. That's pretty bearish. That's a hammer right there. So if you're dealing with this, is anybody in Baba? I don't think I got a head count here. I know it sucks. Or if you're down, but I'm still in, so yeah, okay. Just do the fucking thing, man. What is happening right now? One, two. So we got our resistance. Let's see what happens. We're probably about to. Are they keeping us in range to let us get it? I mean, a lot of times it's to get us the exit. Yeah, a lot of the times that's a lot of reason why your contract can lose value as well. So London closed in 21 minutes. Alex, are you on right now, dude? Okay. Might run in a little bit of 2 hour time, but we're good. I have an open window 30 minutes after, so okay, cool. Yeah, price action was okay this morning. It's now not supporting things as delightful. Listen, I'm having a run back and forth right now, but if it crosses right here, guys, we got to close. Okay, if it breaks this trend line, I'm in a small account. I can't really add, but you are welcome to do so. And I'll set these levels. So we need to lose this area, but above here, that's it. So excruciating, excruciating price action. Oh, would you look at that, Baba? All right, guys. Now that we got some sort of rejection, I can go ahead and just set a clear level for you. Right here, 99.60. If we get back in there, right now the price target, I'm going for new low. There is the possibility. I see this as a support right here, and so I'm thinking that somewhere in this range, 98.60. But I'm in this to the downside, so I'm gonna hop off. I got a meeting to get to, um, with someone, and then we'll go ahead and continue. But this should be a profitable trade here, so we'll see what we get out of it. But good trading, my friends. Hopefully we get some movement towards the end of the day. I'm gonna set lots of alerts. All right, guys. You guys have a good day. I'm in Baba. You can add if you need to. Do what you got to do. 99.20 or 99. We need to lose those levels. So lots of alerts. Oops. Oh no. All right, guys. I'll be back in a second.